together this time. Bend the knees. Make sure you keep that turn out, okay? Pelvis, neutral position. Bring those arms down. We're taking a flick kick. We bring the foot up to the knee. Okay? We extend out. We come back to the knee and we lower down. So we go in, extend out, bring it in and down. Okay, if you haven't got much flexibility, bring it up to the calf muscle here, to the top of the calf or the mid-calf here. We're going to extend out there, bring it back and down. Now a flick kick is all about the attack, okay? Do not flick so much that you're going to lock into that knee. It's about the rebound action. So you're going out, in, okay, protect that knee. Feet together. We go in, extend, out, and in, out, down we go, and flick, kick, flick, kick, flick, kick, jump, other side, in, extend, out, and down, in, flick, down we go, and flick, kick, and flick, kick, and flick, kick, and jump other side. Now when we're flicking, when we're doing our flick kick, we want to imagine there's a balloon in front of you and that you've got either a needle or a sharp toenail or something and you're going to pop the balloon. But if you only press it softly, there's a chance that balloon's not going to pop. So we want to pop it with our sharp little toenail or our needle here, right here. So we go in, extend, out and down. That's your preparation, okay? That's getting you ready. Then we come in, sharp this time. Bang, and down. Flick, and down. Use your arms to steady you and your core muscles. Flick, and let it all go. Get ready to go the other side. Okay, here we go.